Java is a powerful and popular programming language used to build a wide range of applications. From web applications to mobile apps, Java is everywhere. It was created by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, later acquired by Oracle, and released in 1995. Java was designed with a simple goal: to be a language that is easy to learn and use, yet powerful enough to create complex software. This simplicity and power have made Java one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Over the years, Java has evolved significantly, with new features and capabilities being added regularly. However, its core principles have remained constant, making it a reliable and robust choice for developers worldwide. Today, Java continues to be a dominant force in the world of software development, empowering millions of developers to create innovative and impactful applications. One of the key features that makes Java so powerful is its object-oriented nature. But what does that mean? Imagine building a house. You don't start by randomly putting bricks together, do you? In object-oriented programming, we organize code into reusable units called objects. These objects are like blueprints for creating different parts of our program. Each object can have its own data, like the color of a brick, and behaviors like the way a brick is laid. This approach makes our code more organized, reusable, and easier to maintain. Just like using pre-made windows and doors makes building a house easier, object-oriented programming simplifies software development. Another amazing feature of Java is its platform independence. Imagine writing a program on your computer and having it run seamlessly on your friend's device, even if they have a completely different operating system. Java achieves this magic through a special software environment called the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. Think of the JVM as a translator that sits between your Java program and the underlying operating system. This means that once you write your Java code, you can run it on any device that has a JVM without having to make any changes. This write once, run anywhere capability is a major advantage of Java. Java's versatility is evident in its wide range of applications. From powering large-scale enterprise systems to running on small embedded devices, Java is everywhere. Have you ever used Android apps? Many of them are built using Java. Java is also widely used in web development, creating dynamic and interactive websites. Furthermore, Java plays a crucial role in the financial industry, powering trading systems, risk management platforms, and banking applications. Its robustness and security make it an ideal choice for handling sensitive financial data. In today's technology-driven world, learning to code is becoming increasingly important, and Java is an excellent language to start with. Firstly, Java's popularity means there is a huge demand for skilled Java developers globally. Learning Java opens doors to exciting career opportunities in various industries. Secondly, Java's strong community support provides a wealth of resources for learners, from online tutorials to comprehensive documentation. Lastly, mastering Java equips you with a solid foundation in programming concepts, making it easier to learn other programming languages in the future. Section 6. Diving into code, a beginner's first Java program. Now let's get our hands dirty with some actual Java code. Here's a simple program that prints Hello World. To the console Java public class Hello World, public static void main string args, system out println Hello World. Don't worry if it looks a bit intimidating at first. We'll break it down step by step in the upcoming sections. For now, just appreciate the elegance and simplicity of Java syntax. Section 7. Understanding variables and data types in Java. In programming, variables are like containers that hold information. Just like a box can hold different items, variables can store different types of data, such as numbers, text, or true/false values. Java is a statically typed language, meaning you need to specify the type of data a variable will hold when you declare it. For example, to store a whole number, you would use the data type. Understanding variables and data types is fundamental to writing Java programs, as it allows you to manipulate and process information effectively. Section 8. Control flow in Java, making decisions in your programs. In real life, we make decisions based on certain conditions. For example, if it's raining, we take an umbrella, otherwise we don't. Similarly, in programming, we need a way to control the flow of our programs based on certain conditions. Java provides control flow statements like statements and that allow us to execute different blocks of code based on whether a condition is true or false. These control flow mechanisms enable us to create programs that can respond to different inputs and make decisions accordingly, making our programs more dynamic and intelligent. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the power of Java. Java is a powerful, versatile, and beginner-friendly programming language that opens up a world of possibilities. Its object-oriented nature, platform independence, and vast community support make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers. By learning Java, you gain valuable skills that are in high demand in today's job market. More importantly, you empower yourself with the ability to create innovative solutions and bring your ideas to life through the magic of coding. So, take the leap, embrace the power of Java, and embark on an exciting journey into the world of programming.